comes um hi guys. So kita pala kami sayang wala tayo dito having scenery of the scenery. So yeah, if I knew that there's deeper than the attraction, yeah, then I would just yeah. Hi guys, punta kami ng dagat ngayon. So we're having in here, so I can, so yeah. Ang hirap mo ganun kasi wala. Wala siya dito. Yeah. So mahirap kasi wala siya. So we're moving on in here. Yeah, as I did in here. So yeah. Tindo. Yeah, oh god. Tindo. Dito talaga siya. Dito siya. How moving in here or feeling, not moving, okay, feeling is, yeah, kasi dati more on talaga right in here siya. So right there. As you see. Yeah, oh god, mahirap. So nagkamali si hi guys, ang hirap sa amin guys kay mga danggab. Yeah, t-shirt yung ating outfit, yung ating outfit papuntang Digit. Punta kami ng Digit ngayon. Yeah, ito tubig. Ano tubig. So, ito lang tayo guys. Hindi mag-ano siya. So, yeah, ganyan na lang. We're having in here. So, yeah. If I have the regret, then it don't actually I'm fine. I hope you guys, if there's something you guys, kung may ginagawa man kayo, sana normal siya at tama kayo. Dahil okay lang talaga ako. Yeah. So, yun lang. Yeah. Kung may ginagawa, sana kayo tama at normal. So, dito naman. Yeah, there's moving in here na. As you guys seen, we're not right more on. Ay, dito pa. Tama. Yeah. Oh God, this is... may tanggap sa amin guys. And it's hard for me because it's taking and it's not good. It's like it's not good. Oh my god. Napapansin ko lang siya. Really, yeah. I really noticed. Nung una talaga siya ang pangit. Yeah. We're getting fine. I need it. And then there's a feeling right there. Like, I need it because late is not good. Hirap tumawa. So, meron siya right in here. So, wala siya. Oh, meron pa rin siya. Mas maganda talaga siya, may ngipin talaga siya, guys. Kaya kayo, yeah, you know, that's how hard for me to have. So, yeah, naramdaman niya naman siguro. Hindi naman yan akin, it's for you also, guys. I'm just the owner in here. So what you guys give is what you receive. So give me something. I'm fine. Yeah. I need it. And then, yeah. Papansin ko talaga siya, guys. Somebody's taking me. It's my anxiety. Anyway. Yeah. Simple. Alright. Wait. Yeah, I really need it. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, if I could take back, you know, I would prioritize to take her. Actually, yeah, I'm fine. Meron naman talaga akong kakaingat, kakaalaga. It's just, you know, when we were younger, it's the word. Yeah. So, yeah. Nagmagalaw na siya dito. How do I feel in here is we're having na. So, yeah, as in talaga dito talaga na ano ko talaga siya, guys. Meron siyang, kasi mungo siya ng pagkain. Di ba pag meron siyang pumapasok na pagkain, it's like it's not good. Parang hindi naman siya masakit. Alam niyo daw pag masikip yung ipin nyo, and then pag may sumisiksik siya na pagkain, di ba? It's like talagang nasiksikan nga na siyang pagkain, masarap pa rin. Parang pa naman, parang ganun siya. So, yeah. We're not having in here. Kaya pala, I'm really careless or out of care. I'm just, yeah, mga danggad ng tao ko. Somebody will see this. Of this. Depends. Yeah, yung isa para tayo yung addict. Yeah. Ang hirap mag-isip. When I see it in like, yeah. Para siyang addict pag yung isa. And then, yeah. So guys, what you give is what it received. So thanks for me to don't, you know, nothing. Why? Oh God. Tapos hindi nanggap siya, parang may something, yeah, doon sa ngalang-ngala. And then it's just, yeah, tapos nawala siya. Sana respeto nyo to, kasi hindi talaga to magkoconnect sa inyo. Hindi siya magkoconnect. You just guys really disrespecting. Para lang to kung sa amin yan. So what the intention? So may nanonood pala siya, guys. Yeah, sana yan, hindi ko makita. Where is somebody in here? Dito na lang. Yeah, hindi ko makita. So yeah. Oh God, marasa. It's, yeah, it's under the eye. And like, I need it. Because here lately I'm not good. Because I'm a monster. Yeah. Ako God. So, wala tayo right in here. Ba't may kakain wala yan dyan? As in, first time ko talaga yung doon ako sa hub na yun. Pasukan talaga siya ng pagkain. Wala akong naramdaman na parang, di ba, pag napapasukan yung ipin mo, parang, alam mo yun, like, yeah. So, yeah. Adi doon kita, malik talaga, wala kita. Ang hirap. Ay, anak, mga sulod balay. Madamdam yung aking mga, I hope it's respect the differences. Hindi talaga siya kukunet. Hindi talaga siya nakarawat. Yung mga dyan lang, wag na kung saan. Hindi talaga siya. So, yeah. Kaya pala kayo nagbo-boyfriend, no? It is to see something. Yeah. Ngayon ko lang naintindihan kung bakit sila akala ko ano na siya. Yeah. Okay. Ito yung bakit kayo nag-boyfriend mo. So, they really don't know this is. So, boyfriend, girlfriend. Spot kita daw yung okay. Nang wala nga ito, uncomfortable pa lang. Yeah, like huwag kayong magalit kasi wala akong alam nito. We just have to guess. Okay. Okay ba? Sit! Somebody's watching me. Oh God. Oh God. My God. Well, see this, where this, yeah, it's the understanding, and I'm done. To see. Mind we don't see, we see. Things don't understand must be. So, yeah. Yeah. Na lang siya. Wala talaga kayong alam. Alam nyo, eto, okay, pag wala kayong alam, just don't be in here. Yeah, naintindihan ko na. Wala kang gagawin. You just have to act normal. And it's, yeah. Wala kang gagawin. Normal ka lang. It's, yeah. I know what's going on. Oh, it's great. Manok. Ano ba yung nauna? Manok? Or ano? Somebody watching me. It's my anxiety. Ito kami ng dagat ngayon. Mga sulbalay, mga dinggid. Nothing for me to take in here, right? Why would I be there? God is watching me. It's my anxiety. Tapos na yung election. At patron diwan. Parang di ako pwede sa patron. Kaya masyado na akong busog para mamatron siya. Ako na yung kakainin niya. Busog na ako sa pataran, but yeah. Reklaro mga sulod pala is don't change. It's the bad side guys putting in here. You cannot force and cannot take it. Everybody's watching you. It's something is end up. Wait, mga sulog bali wala mga klaro. Oh my god, mga sakit sila sa ulo. They're like, oh, wow, how do I survive? Everybody's watching me. Pamati. Libang-libang na niya. Libang-libang. Wala tayo. Actually, we're complete right in here. So, ito ko lang tayo ng ilan. Dapat pala niyo pinatama. Siguro sa Danggab yun. Kasi one time, sa Maynila yun. Sumakit talaga siya. Kaya may ganun talagang galing ako sa abuyog. Saan ba nang umpisa? Parang mainit siya. Baka siguro mainit lang siya. May ganun pakaramdam na hindi siya normal. May normal na mainit ha. And then where did it start? Ito dito right in here. And then yeah. Tapos sumakit ipin ko right in here. But nawala naman siya. Second lang. Somebody's watching me. Wala tayong nakukuha dito, diba? Yeah, ako meron. It's the understanding. But we cannot play it as, yeah. Namimili na ako ng tao ngayon. More on, must be, yeah. Tama na William, kinakapos takdara-daraim. Adi William nagdidinara takdara-dara. Katawa manikuan. Ito niya tagdadara to niya. Makakita kami ito akong itong dara-dara. Bagal kanyang ko. Oo, sige. Mga ito na kami guys sa dagat.